Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Sorry for late updating. This is the design of the bracket for chain tension. As we all know, Enfield swing arm is made of round pipe, that why we have to make a bracket in round shape. If you want to use chain tension for other bike, you have to make bracket according swing arm frame like round or square is netted. This is the spring and spacer for tensioning the sprocket arm. This spring provide proper movement for sprocket arm according to chain. When the shock absorbers move up and down, the tension spring is also working according movement. So no need to worry about stretching. This side of the sprocket is stay inside of the swing arm. We have to align the sprocket with chain so it can work perfectly. This is how stay on swing arm. Now I will show you how this spring system works. When the pressure apply on the tension arm, it moves like this. This is the sufficient strength and stretching for tensioning the chain. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any query or doubts about this, please feel free to ask. Tomorrow I will show you how to install and how it works. Please support the channel. Thanks for watching.